Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm yours truly, Yanni. Today in this video, we are doing a full weave curly with a lace closure. The lace closure I'm going to be using on her head is a 4x4. The lace is typical lace, it's not HD lace or anything. Right now in the video, I am just braiding her down. She has really thick hair, so I'm choosing this braid pattern so that once she's braided down and we start laying the tracks, everything lays really flat and flush to her head. So now I've come to the end of braiding her hair down for the foundation of her weave. Next, I'm going to take foundation, powder foundations that's the same color as my client's skin complexion. And I'm just gonna brush that on the underside of the closure. My client opted out of having the wig cap method, so please don't drag me in the comments. She just didn't want to use that method, which is completely up to her. She wanted this to be as simple and as close to just a regular sew-in as possible. I did use the elastic band method for placing her closure. To me, it works best. I don't have to worry about my closure shifting or moving during the sew down process, and it also makes touch-ups way easier. So as you can see, I just placed it down and now I'm just sewing right on top of that band. My client also was not a fan of net, so that's why I did not use a net prior to sewing down her weave hair. Sorry for this video being so fast-paced. I recorded it in time-lapse, which is a big mistake. Now I'm at the top of her head. I'm finished sewing down all the tracks. I'm about to spray her hair down with some Design Essentials HCO diluted with water. You're gonna see me sew a track in her closure just because the length of the closure versus the hair was a big difference. But she has a beautiful final product. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe below. Leave me all types of comments. Thank you guys. See you next time.